Okay, I'm back working on this quilt. I'm going to finish it. I have 2 blocks left in this row and then 3 blocks in the last row, and I'll be finished. I have another area where there's a word, and I have my geometric square, have it set for 1.5 inches high, 10 inches wide. I have the needle sitting in the center, left to right of that word, and I'm just going to go to repeat patterns, change my reference to center, and click OK. So there is my it's a pattern actually, but I'll turn that to a boundary once I get this set exactly how I want it to be. I just want to make sure that we're up there okay, and this one just about like that. That looks good. So since I have that placed where I want it, I probably ought to check the right side and the left side, make sure it's going to be, that's okay on that side, right, left side. And yeah, that's a little, I'll bring that in just a tiny bit, bring it in so. Okay, I'll convert this pattern to a boundary. Now I have my boundary. Actually, I didn't want to do that. I'm going to convert boundary to a pattern because I want to stitch this. I'm making mistakes here. Pattern to a boundary. I want this one. Convert boundary to a pattern. Ah, I got it. I'll stitch that out. Okay, I went back and changed that back to a boundary, and I have a boundary here. Now I'm going to place the words in there that I'm going to use. Okay, where's my word? I want this one. I'll just go repeat patterns to the left. I'll put it in place. Move the machine down. And go get my other word. All I'll have to do now is adjust this. Okay, I modified this pattern. I removed the S over here, boomer sooner, and what I can do is select that one, rubber stamp it, because I don't want to combine the 2 patterns. I'll just move it down here in this position and get this one, rubber stamp it, move it down below here, get everything adjusted the way I want it, and just stitch everything out. So I have this all set to stitch this the way I want it to stitch. Okay, just as it got to the end of this, I ran out of bobbin thread. So what I'm going to do is divide this right there, escape, select this, toggle it unsewn. Now it's going to automatically stitch that part before it goes to start this. So I'll go and stitch that little piece of that letter out. Okay, that turned out perfect. It stitched the last part of this, so that secures that so that it will not unravel. Now it's stitching out this next word. Okay, I'm down to the final two sash patterns because there's not any, they do not have a sash along the bottom edge of this. Notice I put this in so that it starts there and quilts towards the bottom of the quilt, and this is what I did. I'm just going to place the needle over where I want this to start, and I have my diamond pattern selected. Go to repeat patterns, change my reference point to start, go down, and I need the measurement though, so I'll just cancel this. I should already have a measurement in there, so I'm going to see. Go to repeat patterns. Go to start. It should remember the. So I want start point. Go down. Total. Yes, it has it in there already. Still yet. Then my angle now is going this direction is 270. Okay. Remember, this is 0, 90, 180, 270. So I'll change this to 270. And when I click OK, it should just pop right in there. And there it is. All I need to do is make sure my measurements are, or my positions are correct. I'm just going to select this, make sure the end snap here is turned off. I'm going to move this into the center of that. Looks like it should snap to right there. Okay. Turn off the end snap. Then go down and make sure this is not beyond that and it's inside the boundary like that. Here I have to make a little bit of an adjustment to this. I will select this, move it over a little bit. This one, turn on the end snap, snap it, turn off the end snap, and this one is going to be okay, and that one. So that's all I need to do. I'll just save this and stitch it out.